Hey guys, wanted to just do a quick little demo on just creating a Glassmorphism design. It's one of my favorite designs to design, so I figured I'd showcase this tip real quick, and then I also wanted to showcase, box shadows. So this is going to be Glassmorphism, okay, and then this is going to be box shadows. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab a frame here. I usually like my cards wider than, I usually don't make my cards the same height, width, and like height and width. I usually make them wider and then shorter length. So let's go ahead and, we're gonna add a linear, and we're gonna bring this diagonal like this, and set this to 100%, and I usually like setting this to like 10. Honestly, sometimes I set this to like 75. Corner radius 30. We're gonna want to make this iOS standard, so let's go ahead and make this 60%. I'm gonna come in here and use my blobs plugin, and let's just insert a couple of these. Okay, and we're gonna go like this. Okay, cut these, put them back in here, and make this like this purple. Okay, and you can already see it's kind of, let's add some like orange. Okay, so you can see we already kind of have this Glassmorphism, but we're going to increase it just a tad. So I love always adding a linear stroke here, like this, and I always make it 2, honestly. And then sometimes you can play around. Like I know I did 75, but even like 92 or something like that. And then what I love doing is obviously adding a drop shadow. Go ahead like this, and make this at 10%. Okay, so it's starting to come alive here. And then last but not least, we need to add a layer blur, and I do 40. I actually don't like the layer blur on there. I kind of like this Glassmorph card, and I'd rather add the layer blur like this. Yeah, here we go. And if we want, we can even make this like a gray. So there, we have a nice, this white, that's actually, just like black. There we go, so now we have a nice little Glassmorphism card. So that's tutorial number 1. I'm gonna end this and, start another tip on creating box shadows.